It's not a picture.
Okay. Alright.
He's just sitting there.
Alright. Bye. You take one of me and the bird and send it through email to Cindy.
Well, this is video, so.
Can you do that?
I'm still taking a photo of him. Or, video. Beauty. Hey, bird.
Tell her in the email, this is my Pitbull Cockatiel.
Or I can just send her this video. Jimmy, do not get in front of the camera.
Oh, fussy are we, huh? This is my Pitbull Cockatiel, Billy.
Billy's like, put me down.
Two phones.
He's eating my shirt.
She.
He is.
She.
Well, a girl wouldn't do that. Do you like cotton there, Billy?
He likes fiber.
Apparently.
She.
He don't need fiber in his diet. He cooks enough. That can't be tasty.
Chicken outfit doesn't care.
Oh, you're getting fussy. Oh, yeah. Says you can't kiss me, I'm a single girl. Nope. Nope. You're not still doing video, are you?
Yes.
That's enough. You're not gonna put, well, you're not going to put it on email anyway.
Why? He says I'm not.
But it shouldn't be very long.
So I just send her a link